In this video, I will show you how to delete invite message on Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of the feed. Go to the chat containing the invitation message. Press and hold the message you want to delete. Select Delete for you. This will delete the chat for you only. If you want to delete it for everyone permanently, follow these steps. Tap on View Profile. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Block to block the user. Confirm the block. Go back to the chat. Tap on the Delete button. Confirm the deletion. This will remove the message permanently. Feel free to follow these steps, and you'll be all set. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.